Good morning, guys. So basically it's day one, Monday, December 4th, 10:14 a.m. and we're on the way to the port right now. Yeah, not gonna do too much talking right now because I don't know. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so we are finally we getting somewhere. Hello. We is getting somewhere, y'all. Y'all see the boat? Y'all see it? Uh-oh. Not us on the boat. Uh-oh. Yeah. First meal in, y'all. That's literally the only buffet open right now. Y'all, as y'all can see, I only got two things. So.
Of the party. And you better believe we're gonna do a whole lot of partying in this cruise. Are you with me, Freedom?
Yeah!
Now, we've got a whole lot of fun in store.
Let me see your chest. Back it up, drop it down. Let me see your chest. Get it up, squat down. Let me see your chest. Tonight.
Wardrobe change. So one thing I most definitely peep is like when I already had a long day and I drink after that, I get drunk, but I have a low drunk, if that makes sense. Like I got a drunk that make me want to go to sleep type of thing. Like yeah, being drunk makes you go to sleep anyway, but like usually you get hyper. Yeah, I am too tired right now. Too tired. So took some pictures or whatever. No outfit's going to waste. I don't care. Whether I wear for 10 minutes, it's not going to waste. But yeah, we're gonna take a nap because your girl is tired. Bow, 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 bow. Hey y'all, so OOTD, we got sexy girls. This skirt, then on the feet, you know, little platform Crocs. Let me get y'all like a real, you know. Okay. Yeah. Check out his fit. Let's see. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, you know. Polo down. You know, fizzle.
Okay, stop playing. Ain't nobody coming as hard as you, Jip.
Stepping right twin.
Are so played because it's 10:45, right? We're eating now, but all like the buffet and stuff, I think it closed at 9, and we woke up at 9. So tomorrow, it's not happening again. Okay, but get a little food in your belly, so we're finna get toe up tonight. Okay, we got some fries and a grilled ham and cheese. Still not trying to eat too much. And then I told myself I wasn't finna eat after 9:30, but I woke up too late, so we're gonna try again tomorrow. Hey, just cute, you getting money too. I'm finna trick up. What's annoying? Babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you fine. We're in a casino with it. Stop playing. How much money you finna how much money you finna win me today?
I was finna say 2 bands, but I might just hit with 2 bits.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna hit the jackpot tonight. Stop playing.
Pretty good, so they want to hear a little bit of something, so let's go again.
Lost! Now everybody go try breakfast!
Feeling like that man.
You feeling like that guy?
Man, that guy. I've been in that mood.
Yeah, I'm feeling like Larry, living like Larry. Lexi, how you feeling? Mimi, how you feeling? You're tired?
For some reason, I'm just getting white.
My nap. I took a 3-hour nap. We want to see from 6 to 9.
To be honest, I feel like school, but I ain't tore up yet.
You ain't tore up?
I ain't
Tomorrow
tore
I gotta
up.
get tore up
Tight
again.
shit, you know what I'm saying?
The bar is closed. Cove is toe.
Walking with some jugs.
Good morning, y'all. Day 2 with it. Stop playing. We were supposed to all do brunch, get cute. Why are we in our pajamas? You know, taking pictures, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how I want to style my hair. I don't know if I want to put it on the side.
So I know you wanted the lighting of the room, right? Yeah, the lighting, I should have took it. Actually, you look too good. Like, you're going to leave everybody that's good.
I have 2. Well, no, one is at home, but
If we knew, we would have just...
I was like, well, that's okay. This is my first time. This is my first and last time wearing it, girl. Y'all, I had went on that slide right there, and baby, I'm not going on it again. Y'all, I'm trying to get drunk, like, but it take me too long to get drunk.
That's up. And drink. That's the problem. You don't be drinking. You don't drink. You do too much talking. You want to get drunk, but you're not doing nothing to get drunk. You need some more hands.
I take a shot at her yesterday.
A shot? A cup. We don't do shots. I told you this. You only got 15. You got to make that be a long while.
You're right.
Because you remember, I got to sit down and drink later.
Y'all, so first of all, got food from the deli that says buffalo chicken, thinking I'm gonna get buffalo chicken. It's a sandwich.
She got exactly buffalo chicken,
I'm
right?
thinking it's buffalo chicken wings.
That wing was not included.
It's a deli, fam.
I automatically think wings when I see buffalo chicken though.
That part.
Y'all, I literally got buffalo chicken
The camera's right there.
with bread. Anyways, we finna taste test it and see what they talking about. Cause if it ain't talking about nothing,
No, we're not getting
I'm gonna be mad.
Try it. Let me see it. Wow. You lying, You lying?
I say it's like a hold on.
Beyonce not playing with the pictures. She said, let me pose. Wait, what? She already posted it. She has to post it? Yeah, she posted a swimsuit thing.
It's okay, like them 2 bites is all I'm.
No, you ain't send me them videos I told you to send me.
I say a 7 out of 10. 21. The fries are so good though.
It is. Whoever put their pussy in there, then.
Why they look like they could be people off of Money Heist? Have you been? What they do, yeah. White night, you know. Finna go to dinner. Taking pictures behind the scenes. Yeah. Don't play. We the starters, you know. What's that? Calamari. JRT, what you got?
Well, I got fettuccine, but they just brought me the sauce. I would hope this is just more better.
Okay, and then the calamari as well. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but let's just switch. Cheese.
Girl, I love stuffed potatoes. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank
Would you look some hot charges for your family?
Outfit change again. Sorry. Black romper, Shein, yeah. Gold sandals, Shein, yeah. Jewelry, Shein, yeah. Baddie on the budget, stop playing. Yep. True.
Who wears some jackets?
Y'all pick the little matching vibe. Y'all see it. It was his idea, not mine. It's so cold in our room, y'all. Like, I'm ready to get out. Y'all see where we put it at? It still feel cold. It's not as cold as it was before, but it's still cold. And it's 2 people that get cold. So we finna go get some drinks. Yeah. You know. Sorry. The hairstyle once again. Ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow, cause ooh, having to hold everything is crazy. He trying to learn how to.
Hey, you keep that bit like this?
Yeah.
So hey, hold on, I'm gonna start off. Fuck around and get real low with that.
Yeah. You see me? Yeah.
God damn.
Day 3. It's 10:10. Woke up late. Hangover. Hungry. Stomach hurt. Hangover. Headache. All of the above right now. But we finna go get some breakfast then head off the boat. Because we in Turks and Caicos. Turks and Caicos. Oh, Turks and Caicos. But yeah, y'all. Tonight I'm trying to go to sleep earlier than I did last night. Because literally we have... good thing we didn't have no excursions today. Because if we did, we would have to wake up early with them. And tomorrow we have excursions. So we gotta wake up early tomorrow. We need to be up by 7 o'clock tomorrow. Yeah. But we finna go get breakfast. Do all that. I think you could just tell by my eyes I barely got sleep, dog. You know. Say it. Had something, and it's good. I feel good. So what I do? How you feel? Let's see. Vlog. Y'all, they was pulled up.
Who got a speaker?
Yeah. No, I found there was 2, 3.
I already drunk mine.
Say whoa. They said 3.
Oh, they didn't count the 3?
Oh, she did.
It's too late. I got it.
I'm crying. He was scared. He was scared of it. Do y'all? We in Turks with it. Stop playing. What do you have to say?
Nothing. We just enjoying the vibe.
What you gotta say? Nothing?
Come on down.
Come on down, man. Come visit Turks.
JIT? No, Orlando, Florida.
Next door.
Right next door. You think that's
Florida's 107.
half person?
Yeah.
She dark as bed. Oh, dark? Oh, what's happening? Oh, shit.
On your fence, the way you be bad. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow.
Got 100 top of my thumb.
Y'all haven't drank yet? Let's shake some. Whoa!
Haley, sing me.
And she's dead ass.
I know she always. You could have danced. Oh, he gave you a keychain. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Period.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm trying to shake back so bad right now. So bad. I'm eating a burger and some fries. It's fine. I'm not sure if the boat is moving or not. I really don't know. I can't tell. And I had to get out of my room because it was too cold in there. Yeah. Why my boyfriend sent me in the group chat? Like, school was so up. And I was not ready to take a shower yet. I literally got in the room and went straight to bed, dog. I'm finna eat and go right back to sleep though, trust. What's going on? Somebody please tell me why? You gotta chug it. Can you chug it?
That's what gets you flat up. That's the point.
That's what we're doing.
I'm gonna wait. Don't move.
You gonna wait?
Yeah. My piece of food.
Okay. Me and my man finna go shot for shot and see where it takes us. Gonna go shot for shot in a club then.
Alright, y'all. We starting with Henny and Pepsi, y'all, boy.
Stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet, and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture, bro. They look great, this nigga start getting low.
We had to change locations because the bar and the club closed. Like, they was putting up drinks already. It's only 1:13. Yep, I am. What they do? Tell them stop playing on your top.
Bitch, you already know what it be like.
Yeah.
I know if I'll see you again.
There's us at the food bank.
I'm scared. It's straight hand dog.
But she takes to the shot because it's straight.
You gotta find Hannah.
Don't be folding.
So the redhead is.
The ice, man. It was the ice.
You gotta learn how to do it. Look at my look.
I'm not connected, so why did my stuff not there? Can you find them?
I gotta feel good.
Hannah.
No, you don't want to leave sharing for it.
To be fair.
Let's see if I can finish this a little bit. Think I can?
I ain't gonna lie, that been hit.
You got it. It's still in there.
I'm working?
You working.
Okay. You got it? Yeah.
It's still something. Okay. Y'all y'all go on a cruise, right? You only get 15 drinks, right? Cool.
Okay.
Don't take shots. You could take shots, but just ask for like a drink on ice or something. That's like 4 or 5 shots right there.
Exactly. Because if you ask for a fucking shot, bro, you wasting that shit.
Exactly.
That's stupid.
Exactly.
You're gonna take 15 shots only for the day, only spread out through a whole 24
Right?
hours.
And imagine you get this. You could get about 3 cups, and you'll feel how you feeling if you was to get 10 shots.
See how much louder she getting every time she talk now after each and every shot.
Too late now.
I hope she can see this.
Last drink, y'all.
Oh, it's good.
But we don't have soap operas anymore. Because they're bored. No soap operas.
What are they doing? Like to be at home and get 90, 160,000 a year to sit there and say,
That's all?
Advance.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
That's all?
I don't know. I'm just.
Better go up.
Oh, that's what I was
If
gonna
you
say.
make more than that, I need to kill somebody because you don't.
When you boomerang,
You want to shoot somebody?
what are you about to come say?
My first day I had
But you are on
I'm watching them too. I'm like,
I'm like, you standing next to the wrong person because I ain't making no conversation, buddy.
Yeah, in the field, it's like somebody.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm starting to feel it.
And you have.
I'm starting.
Y'all better put that on for 6 a.m.
Oh yeah, good thing you came. So that's down.
Good night. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yo.
Yeah.
He won, by the way.
Oh, she's got a
He
really
won.
great family that she takes with her on a cruise.
Morning. Day 4 with it. Day 4 with it. We are in Amber Cove. Y'all see the islands and stuff. My stomach hurts so bad, dog. I hope it goes away.
Oh, that's.
Cause I'm
You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you run in the beers and a tongue truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I brought everybody. Lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop out 5,000 money. Got the bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't rock on my collar, we second up wallow and gualo and try get it mega buck. See them drip a little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shop, got 40 designer belt. OPF, still at the new BM up. They gon' dump, got clothes in my right or left.
come in the cup with my twin BB vibing. But we know how to
Hold on, fit check.
fit check, you know what I'm saying? Skims, easy dope, you know what I'm saying? And hair by me, yeah. Alright, you know I got the sheen on the romper. Yeah, and a little Apple Watch, and you know hair by Mac. Duh.
Mac is right here, yeah.
Duh. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby.
Let me get my fit check, Mian. Empty, that's it. You got the off-brand shoes from Shoeland. You got the Sheen. Oh, really? Sheen. Walmart. Sheen. Yes.
Yeah.
So you got black,
Yes,
and then the pop
blacked
light
out
blue
over here.
and dark blue.
Cause we not finna be dirty. Period.
Must be nice.
Alright. So yeah, we are currently waiting for us to do ATV. I'm so tired. So tired. Been up since 6. Woke up at 2. Wait, what? Been up since 6. Went to sleep at like 2.
I don't get it. I don't get it either.
Make my head look so weird.
Oh boy, that big got a Hellcat engine in it.
The gas is on the right side. It's with a thumb like this. Down here.
That big got a Hellcat engine in it, boy.
Not like this. If you do this, you don't move. Remember, with your thumb right here. So when you're gonna gas, just try to do it slow and gradually, like this. And then we go faster. Please, never do it never like this. Because you're gonna go all the way like this, okay? Just gradually. Okie dokie. Listen, here, the chief, that's the gear. We have 5 with that, but we call her friendly auntie. Auntie in Spanish, that means tia. Here, we are gonna be able to see how people live in the countryside, and also she invited us to taste some of our local coffee. Do you like coffee?
No, not really. But I'll taste it just.
You can try, just a little bit.
I'll try a little. I'll
try
take a sip.
Yes.
Tea. They don't do tea on the countryside.
If you like or you don't, you can try to take the difference between a local one and your cruise ship coffee.
Hey.
Buen día. Buen día. I see the chicken.
Where's the chicken? Right there.
Hey, chicken.
Strong?
Yeah, strong.
Strong. Wake you up. You just need more sugar.
Strong coffee.
Half a tea, ladies, please. My partner has some information for you.
No,
please.
Sugar. Half a tea, please. What? Hey,
LOL.
a question for you.
Sí.
Where can I get that bottle?
You wanna get pregnant or what?
In? They go cat there.
Listen, guys, this is the kitchen. We call it la cocina in Spanish. Tia could here with gas propane, but here she could with wood. The food we woo is more delicious than with gas propane. And also, this is the coffee you drink, smash it. Don't get high, please. Watch your head, watch your step.
Oh, this is what she made.
Listen, guys, this is the Dominican hookah.
Ooh. She funny.
Listen, guys, this is the more traditional kitchen in the countryside. We call it fogón or la leña. And also, that is the coffee machine. Let me show you the process. Tina put water inside this and the coffee beans inside this. This is like a filter. When the woman guys, we have the sour orange, guys. Sour orange. Listen, guys, here is the Tia family rest in peace. Her husband, her sister, her uncle. It's like a cemetery, guys.
Like the humps?
Let me tell you guys. Yes.
Oh, wow.
This is a real cemetery? For real?
Just kidding.
Oh. Because listen.
We walking all over the house. No respect.
That is the pineapple plants, guys. Pineapple plants.
Okay? Alright. Let's do it. Pa' arriba. Pa' abajo. Pa' el centro. Pa' adentro.
That's good. It's sweet. It's really sweet. Like,
Because it's honey. Emma. Now. Salud. Okay. Hey.
it's you already drinking it for me.
Outfit change. Dang, I was feeling it. Y'all, why is it raining right now? And this ride's so bumpy, like. Daddy cold.
Yo, boy, I'm finna fade the driver if this shit bump me one more time.
They gonna have to fade, because it's gonna keep on bumping.
I'm finna fade the driver.
Look at it though, y'all. I got ribs, rice, fries, and ham. Weird combo, I know, but whatever. I'm gonna rate it when I'm done.
But like,
hey y'all, hey. We back at the bar. Same thing as last night. Gonna drink. Well, I don't know if he's gonna drink. But I am. I don't know what this is, but okay, that ain't bad. That was not bad. So yeah, we back at it again. We're doing shot for shot, drink for drink, whatever you want to call it. And I know I'm gonna be toe up again more than this guy, but that's okay. Cause the girl always be the drunkest. You know what I'm saying? That's why your man gotta take care of you and cater to you and all that when you're drunk. I'm a crybaby, but he loves me. He don't love that, but he love me, so yeah. Drink numero 2. Y'all, he looks so good. Hold on, I'm not vlogging. Here we go. Hey y'all, last day and
you feeling like caca, dog?
boo, tomatoes.
Like motion sickness.
Y'all not really gonna see much today.
That shit's on serious, boy.
I've never felt this before, like ever, and I don't never want to feel it again. So 5-day cruises, I don't recommend. Cause this 5th day really beat me. But I'm gonna go get some food and go to sleep. Cause my head is hurting. And this boat just keep on moving.
Shut up, man.
I'll catch y'all later. Even moved in the Instagram model. Do I have a tan line?
Glasses are these.
What?
Glasses are these. Or no
Damn.
glasses.
Damn. I feel like he could be my bodyguard. He looks so mean.
Good. That's the shit I like either.
Anyways, last outfit of the day, you know, something chill, something cool. We've been asleep all day, so I ain't really been vlogging today, cause y'all ain't been feeling good at all. I feel way better. I feel regular now, but sing it for you.
Alright, ready?
1.
It's nasty?
You should ask for a straw.
I hate Hennessy. For real. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. I like to drink with Giante. Giante is my mate. I like to drink Giante because she gets it down at 8 and an 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's not even half.
Yes.
That's not even half.
Oh, girl. No, I feel like it's better to chug with a straw than it is sipping
No,
it.
that's straight Hennessy.
They doubled it. That's crazy. How do you feel, Luna? Luna.
I'm tired, but that is
the last night, so
it don't matter. I'm always be tired, but I'm still tired.
Tired. Mimi, how do you feel, my friend?
My stomach hurt.
Oh, okay. But we're still here.
How
How do you feel?
this cruise has been a trip, but it's been fun overall. I had a great time. We'll be back.
They just told me I've been on
How do you
a
feel,
cruise for 3
Jalona?
months.
I mean, not Jalona. How you feel, JLT? How do you feel? Tell them how you feel.
Yeah, I'm tips. Okay.
I'm tips.
I'm tips. I am drunk.
She go from drunk to tips.
What backward?
I'm JRO. How y'all feeling tonight?
Haley.
Because she gave me double sheets. I didn't ask for that.
How are you? Kim, how do you feel?
Yeah, we ain't drunk yet, bitch, but we gonna get there.
Like, because of the fact that I remember to pull out my camera and record, y'all should really mess with me 100%. Cause there be people that drunk and don't be getting none of the drunk footage, but me, I'm gonna let y'all see all that. Thank you. My man brought me water.
Are you sure?
He brought me water.
I'm not gonna lie. I needed this.
Yeah, you wasn't drunk. Oh. Well, you was what, tipsy when you was drinking them frozen drinks?
In Turks.
I think it was the second day.
No, I drank straight shots in Turks.
Really?
Yeah.
You wasn't drunk in Turks? I felt like the Turks liquor was crazy.
The Turks liquor, it hit me out of nowhere.
It didn't hit me?
I took a nap. Yeah, but they close at 1.
That's at 1.
Yeah, they're probably putting it away now.
You can hurry.
I don't know why I bought you 5. You didn't even eat your shit.
Because some fell. And
You ain't doing this on your plate.
I didn't eat at all.
I be forgetting to swallow when I'm up.
Can you come sit next to me, please? Ew.
I'm trying to get rid of all the food, child.
So yeah, we got pizza. I have 1 piece of potato because Nutty said if she didn't like it, so I took 1 piece of potato to see how it tastes.
Bro,
Taste
that's
test.
potato salad. That shit ain't no potato. Potato salad ain't that big.
Y'all tried the barbecue spot? That shit was disappointing. I'm thinking like the chicken looked good as hell, and then when you bite that bit, it ain't
You don't know
no
no
seasoning
Creole?
on the inside.
The ones we was gonna know today is Moon Blanc.
He learned it already.
You know Moon Blanc?
He learned it.
Yeah. All right.
Somebody, one of y'all taught him. I don't remember.
Listen, the Moon Blanc, the plum colors, they don't know what the fuck they are.
Why'd it be so hard?
I don't know. I don't understand that.
Yeah, they act like they can't cook no fucking chicken. The chicken died for nothing.
When they deliver the food, they have better options. Because I saw buffalo chicken wings.
Babe, didn't I say that?
Yeah, next time I get on the boat, I think I'm gonna order food.
But then he was saying, what if you ordered it, wasted your money, and it wasn't good?
True.
That's when you commit murder.
It is hard.
No, but somebody in our
Don't get
hallway,
him started.
I saw straight bones on that plate.
One thing about me, I don't play about food. Someone fuck up my food, I'm fucking up my face. Today, I ain't had no bad food today. Except for that damn fried rice. What was that?
Breakfast was good though today.
Drunk as shit.
Hot dog is
I said I was tipsy, bitch.
I
I
don't
ain't
like
tipsy
hot
no
dog
more.
that tastes like that. Let's taste the pizza.
I gotta finish packing.
I finished. I just left it open to put these clothes in there. Literally what I'm going to sleep with is what I'm waking up and going home with.
That part.
I need to put my bathroom thing in the suitcase. It's not gonna fit in my purse.
Me
It's
too.
big.
This trip is something serious.
I don't think I could do 5 days on a cruise again though, because just because of the way I was feeling today.
I ain't gonna lie, I burnt out after day 3.
Yeah.
I don't
It's
go
a lot
out
of
like
days.
that, so shit, it's just me, bro.
Leona was not playing with us.
I don't know.
But you peep how it's not as rocky anymore?
Yeah, because he slowed down.
Caught up.
We basically at the port. Basically.
Don't worry about it. You think so? Come find me a Puerto Rican.
I think so.
I think we'll be there by 6 o'clock, 5, 6.
4 max.
4.
Because the speed we was going, it was ridiculous.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit.
He been speeding since we
That
left
was-
the yard, bro.
Yes, he
yesterday
did.
he's been speeding.
Girl, I'm over here levitating in my seat. What the fuck is this?
No, for real.
Levitating in your
Girl.
And then we took a nap earlier, and I just kept feeling myself going like this.
I had to pray to God, child.
I did too. I promise I did too.
11.
This is a mood, y'all.
10:45.
All right.
This is a mood.
That's Carter.
That shit finna piss me off.
Oh, he's so cute.
Club,
Girl, we burnt out. We was shaking his head.
Yeah,
Every
we was in
day.
that club every day.
Man, every day. Every day.
I just
Today's
can't
the
wait
day.
to lay in my bed.
Y'all won out tonight.
Tonight.
Tonight is over.
Tonight won. Us
One
0.
Anyways, y'all. Good night. Vlog over. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell your mama, your grandma, your cousin, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your daddy, your in-laws. Tell everybody subscribe to me. No, not underscore. xxmykaylaa. Follow me on everything, and I'm gonna catch you in the next vlog. Bye.
You remember she didn't sleep.
You got something to say? Hold on.
For y'all, all y'all sugar aunties, hit my phone, dog.
Bye.
Fuck, when she
Bye.
Y'all hit my phone.
Bye.